Hi guys! So, dito ko sa clinic ngayon. Nakakapagpa-adjust na ako. Finally! After 3 months, tsaka lang ako makakapagpa-adjust. So, I'm just waiting for my turn. So, ito yung results natin after 3 months. Nag-adjust ako ng March, April, May, June. So, 3 months na yung tayo nakapagpa-adjust. Hindi ko na siya gusto. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing this makeup look. This is my Pride makeup look. If you wanna know how I get this look, just keep on watching. I'm done cleansing my face and I'll be now moisturizing my face with this Luxe Organic Soothing Gel, Aloe Vera and Snail. And I'll be priming my face with Fix and Fix primer from Etude House. This primer is good at blurring out your pores. So next, magpa-prime na tayo ng lids using this concealer, LA Pro Conceal. And I'm also dragging it a bit on the brows so that hindi magiging blanco yung brows natin when we put brow product. And I'll be using this Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me palette. It has very colorful shades, so I'll be choosing that red one. And the next is that color yellow. So obviously, we're just following the colors of the rainbow. So, hindi na record yung paglalagay ko ng color green, blue, and then violet. So, ayun yung kinalabasan niya. Okay lang na medyo messy siya kasi we're going to clean that later on. So, I'm just blending the colors together so that it looks seamless. And I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair 15. So, gagamitin ko yan to cut the crease. I will also use this to clean the lids so that maging blanco yung part na yan. So, I will be using this palette, It Cosmetics You Sculpted. And I'll be using that shade to set the lids. If you can still remember yung trick na tinuro ko sa inyo for the Faux Freckle, I will leave the link on the description box. So, yun. Gagawin kong liners itong mga colors na pinili ko. So, yeah. I started with the red color. And then next is the orange color. Next is yellow. And then following is green, blue, and then the last color of the rainbow is violet. For lashes, this is the Taiwan Lashes Style F21. I'm sorry for this clip. I just nagutom ako, so hindi naman siguro masamang kumain, no, for this 2-hour look. I'll be using this brow soap for that feathery looking brows that I really love. And then this ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. So I will just slightly shading my brows with that brow pomade. So guys, if we reach 300 subscribers, I'll be doing a brow tutorial. Hindi lang isa, kundi 3 styles. So, don't forget to subscribe. So, for foundation, I'll be using this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. The shades, I'll be leaving it on the description below. Using this damp sponge, I'm just blending this everywhere. LA Girl Pro Conceal for concealer, using this to hide my bags and highlighting some points of the face. So as usual, I'm just blending it with this damp sponge. And then using this Coty Airspun translucent setting powder, I'm just setting those areas. So now let's proceed to the lower lash line. I'll be starting on the inner corners, choosing the red one and then the orange one, yellow one, and so on and so forth. Using a clean brush, I'm just blending them all together. Going back to that palette, I'll be using those shades as a contour and bronzer. Using my favorite blush from URCCI. Using that It Cosmetics palette, I just choose that top middle shade for contouring my nose. And then using that shade for highlight, but I'll be changing this color to gold later on. Okay, so using that same trick again, and then choosing those colors we used on the eyes, the rainbow colors, I'll be doing this brush effect on the different parts of my face. Fun fact, nakuha ko tong idea na to kasi nakita ko yung mga younger cousins ko na nagpe-painting. So yun, doon ko nakuha yung idea na yun. So, konting chikahan lang tayo, ano? With all the issues circulating on the internet, I did this makeup look not only for the LGBTQs, this is for all of us. Because I believe that all of us give colors to this world. It's just that LGBTQs were more vibrant because of their talents and skills, and their personality itself. So, going back to those issues, all I can say is, guys, love, kindness, and respect is what makes the world colorful and beautiful. So yes, that's it for today's video. Just ignore my lashes. I know it's a bit cringy, but next time I'll be sticking it better. Wala naman akong ibang pupuntahan eh, so ignore it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, feel free to like it. And kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it so that updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. Feel free to leave comments about this video for today and for suggestions in the future videos. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continuous support and I hope to see you all on the next video. Goodbye guys!